everyone, Sunil here from Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean. So as you can see, we're here on a building using a scissor lift to operate on a building wash that we're doing here. As you can see, the mold streaks are really bad coming up from the fascia of the building. This looks like a concrete tilt panel building which has been painted, so we're gonna have to be a bit careful, especially where there's painted signs, etc. But as you can see here, we're just applying the chemical treatment. Have to do this, cannot use pressure, high pressure for this. And you can see how easily that chemical is starting to work on that mold right here in front of your eyes. So that's good news for us, because if it's gone deep into the paint or deep into the concrete, it's harder to get out. So there we go, we'll just be washing the whole building like this, and then we'll be doing a low pressure rinse. Everyone, so as you can see here, this is the low pressure rinse we're doing now, and look at all this, look at how much that building is brightening up. Not only is the mold being removed, but also the actual paint has popped color, it's brightened, and there's much more even texture throughout the paint, so you don't have this splotchy effect that we had before. So as you can see here, this was one of the really moldy parts of the building, and look at that. I'll just do it up here so you can see it. So basically, they're not going to have to repaint this building, and that's a huge saving. If you imagine what the painters would charge to repaint the entire frontage of this building, that's a lot of money. So if you get the right guys in to clean your building, and if they've got the right gear and the know-how, they should indicate to you whether it can be just maybe re-cleaned and restored as opposed to repainted. Anyway, something to think about. Every building's different, but no doubt we can give you a quote if you give us a call.